Hey guys, I'm Catherine. Let me go ahead and put this on present really fast. Today I'm going to be talking to you about medical info with inmates. The bill is HB 2229. So the issue that I'm addressing is it's addressing the issue of unfair opportunities towards prison inmates regarding sharing their medical information with their families, and this impacts prisoners and their families. So my arguments and or solutions being put forward on the issue is my argument is that inmates' medical records shouldn't be shared due to a violation of privacy, and it's a violation of HIPAA. I also don't agree with sharing that information, so I feel the bill shouldn't be passed at all. The position that I'm supporting and why, the position that I'm supporting is going against sharing that kind of information because it's a violation of HIPAA. It's also a violation of privacy. And although prisoners technically don't have rights due to being in prison, they are still human, and it could be kind of embarrassing, or they could have other issues that they really don't want to share with family members, which makes sense. And basically what I'm asking the viewers to do is to vote against the bill being passed due to the reasons that I mentioned previously, just because it's a violation of privacy, and everyone's human, they really don't want to share that kind of information with the world. I also feel that the bill is unnecessary and inhumane. Thank you for watching.